is, first we simplify the log. 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2, log of x plus under root x square plus 9. So we get y is equal to log of x plus under root x square plus 9. Now let us find the dy by dx of this one. So y is equal to log of x plus under root x square plus 9. So dy by dx will be d by dx of log x plus under root x square plus 9. So this will give you 1 by x plus under root x square plus 9 into d by dx of x plus under root x square plus 9. Now, this can again be written as 1 by x plus under root of x square plus 9. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of root will be 1 by 2 under root of x square plus 9, and derivative of x square is equal to 2x. If we simplify this, so what we get, 2 and 2 will cancel. We get 1 by x plus under root of x square plus 9. This can again be written as x plus under root of x square plus 9 whole divided by under root of x square plus 9. So both numerator and denominator term will cancel. Finally we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by under root of x square plus 9. Just recall the formula. D by dx of log base ex is equal to 1 by x. Again, d by dx of under root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Now, d by dx of x square plus 9 is 2x. Again, I'll put a curly bracket formula. Again, d by dx of x square plus 9 is equal to 2x. We used all the three formulae in this particular problem.